Meaning of disproportionately.
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 Disproportionately. Disproportionately means that something is not in the correct or expected proportion or relationship to something else. For example, if a certain group of people is affected by a disease at a higher rate than other groups, we may say that they are disproportionately affected by the disease. When something is disproportionate, it is out of balance, and this can lead to unfairness or inequality. When resources or opportunities are distributed disproportionately, some individuals or groups may benefit more than others. Therefore, it is important to identify cases where something is happening disproportionately and take action to mitigate any negative impact on affected individuals or groups.